Hi guys, Patrick Cañete here of noipx.com. So ngayon, nasa harap natin itong Realme 6i, which is kaka-launch lang dito sa Philippines. Pero dahil kakakuha lang namin itong unit namin na to, we still need more time para maka-formulate ng full review. So for now, gusto lang namin i-share sa inyo yung unboxing experience, plus yung initial thoughts namin about this device and some of its specs, plus of course yung benchmark scores. Of course, just like yung mga ibang Realme devices, itong Realme 6i comes with a bright yellow na box, which is, alam nyo naman, signature na ng Realme. So upon opening the box, we're being greeted by this packet na may nakasulat na, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." This is just a small touch pero alam ko ma-appreciate ito ng mga new Realme phone owners. Pag binuksan mo siya, of course, meron tayo nitong SIM ejector tool. Then, pag binuksan mo siya sa loob, meron tayo itong documentations like itong quick start guide and important information guide. Kasama rin dito yung clear case na medyo may pagka-smoke black yung color. So, this would look really nice dun sa device itself at hindi siya boring katulad ng mga ibang clear case na kasama ng ibang phones. And now, here's the device itself. As you can see, the one that we have here is the white milk color option. Available din siya sa green tea variant. Tanggalin na natin itong sticker sa likod. Try natin buksan kung may battery. Yup, meron. So, tabi muna natin and let's dig in further. Well, it looks like wala kasamang earphones itong Realme 6i. Dahil ang meron nandito is itong USB Type-C cable. And itong medyo malaking power brick that actually has 18 watts of fast charging capability. Ngayon, ang unang manonotice nyo pag ginawa nyo yung device is yung kanyang weight tsaka yung thickness. Medyo big deal to kung manggagaling kayo sa mas maliit or mas manipis na phone. Katulad namin, since yung last na phone na nireview namin is yung Oppo Reno 3, which you can check out via the links below or on the top right corner. Yung Reno 3 kasi is mas manipis and mas magaan. Yun nga lang kasi yung device na yun only has 4,000 mAh battery. Samantalang itong Realme 6i, meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery. So, mas malaki talaga siya. In fact, sa sobrang laki ng battery na to, pwede mo siyang gawin as a power bank. So, meron siyang reverse charging capability. Although, kailangan mo ng USB OTG cable. Medyo hindi pa namin matitest ngayon yung battery life niya. So, antayin niyo yun sa full review namin dahil itetest din namin yung 18 watts fast charging nitong device na to. Mapapansin nyo rin yung bagong design nitong Realme 6i. Isa to sa mga nagustuhan namin sa Realme since even though almost every quarter sila naglalabas ng bagong phones, iba-iba yung designs ng mga nire-release nila. Now, according dun sa website ng Realme, they used a rare spray coating process that results in this matte na itsura ng device. Since matte yung texture niya, hindi siya prone sa mga fingerprint smudges, unlike yung mga phones na may glass back panel. Yun nga lang, itong panel na to ay gawa sa plastic. Pero hindi naman siya cheap or parang madaling masira. Dito sa harap, meron tayong malaking 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS display. Ang ganda yung size, malaki siya for playing games or watching videos. Yun nga lang, since HD Plus screen lang siya, hindi ganun kaganda yung sharpness and details. Of course, sa taas nun, meron tayong notch for the 16 megapixel selfie camera. Sa likod naman, meron tayong 48 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide, tsaka dalawang 2 megapixel sensors for macro shots and depth sensing. Nandito rin yung fingerprint scanner. Again, since initial impressions lang to, medyo konti pa lang yung nakuha naming sample shots. So, we will reserve our final verdict dun sa full review namin. Pero in the meantime, pwede nyo check itong mga sample photos na nakuha namin. Itong Realme 6i comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor with a Mali G52 GPU. Tapos available siya in a 3GB, 64GB. And itong unit that we have here, the 4GB, 128GB model. So far, mukha naman siyang mabilis. I mean, responsive yung interface, mabilis mag-download yung mga apps, mabilis rin siya kumuha ng mga pictures. Pretty much, positive naman yung initial experience namin with the Realme 6i. Of course, for our full review, i-share namin sa inyo yung gaming performance niya and kung okay ba talaga siya sa daily driver smartphone. Pero in the meantime, you can check out this benchmark scores para you know what to expect in our full review. Itong Realme 6i has a price of 7,990 pesos for the 3GB and 64GB model. Yun namang 4GB, 128GB model, which is the one that we have here, has a price of 9,990 pesos. Just like yung mga previous Realme releases, mag-available siya sa flash sale sa May 15. So, discounted siya sa kanyang first sale at lahat ng details available sa description below. Again, it's been Patrick from novepics.com. For more detailed look about the Realme 6i, check out all of the available links down in the description below. With us, hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you like it, subscribe still haven't, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. And of course, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching.